Hi, I'm Tom Hast. In today's video, we're going to be covering the installation of the Ranger fitting from Cambridge Brass. Inside each nut, we have a gasket that seals against the pipe, a washer that separates the gasket from the gripper, and a gripper that applies bite onto the pipe. All right, I have this Ranger pre-installed on a piece of copper tube, and on the other side, I'm going to install a piece of Schedule 40 PVC. I insert the pipe to its stop and take up the slack by hand. And now I just use my torque wrench to tighten this 75 foot-pounds. There we go. And just like that, I have a piece of copper tube and a piece of PVC attached together in a watertight connection with just one fitting. Once again, I'm Tom Hast. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure you like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on our socials. Thank you.